As an engraving business, the dream customer is to get a business looking for bulk supply of something. And while not all items are batched equally, most small things that you can put in your Xtool laser are super batchable, even without a jig. Apologies, I am sick, but we are going to power through this video, because let's face it, there are a lot of larger creators out there selling these jigs for items to engrave, and the price is usually pretty steep for some plastic or wood, and some people went the laser route instead of 3D printing, so the options are limited. Lasers are not cheap. So how can we batch easy if we get a large order of keychains or metal business cards? Well, I reached out to an automotive dealership, pitched what I can do. They were interested in some things, as well as offering to put my business cards in their shop. Now, I don't want to dip heavy into my inventory, so I'll just drop off 5 of them for now, and we can do more later if everything goes well. But how do I do this quick if I don't have a jig? Let me show you. Now, this guide is designed for Xtool users. I have no guides and will likely never touch Lightburn ever again. The software makes me super sad. But once we have Xtool Studio up and we are connected to the laser showing our cards on the bed, let's import our design. Now I'm going to import my company design, logo design onto the little canvas here. And I'm just going to show you the front of the card for the sake of a shorter video. If we select the image after we have it placed how we want it, there is this nifty little area called application. And there's some real magic in here. There's a lot of different tools, but as you can see, it's already listed on mine, but for you, you'll have to search it. But when you get in here, search for the word batch, and then you will see this application pop up, and we will select it. Now we will select our design that is already aligned. We want to make sure it's set up exactly how we want it, and then we are going to select fill. The software is going to snap a photo, determine how many more instances of that material are there on the bed, presumably with AI, I would assume, and it will align our design the same way we aligned it on the first one manually, but it will do it all automatically on the rest. Sometimes it chooses to go upside down with the logo. I don't know why it does that, but it still aligns it perfectly. Now, we always want to make sure that we double check our work. I knew my math teacher was right about one thing anyway. And if everything looks good, we send it to the laser and we fire it off. And what we get now are some super fast results on multiple surfaces, all aligned the same way that we aligned the first one, without a jig. Now, Xtool makes it super easy to batch without the use of a jig. You just have to check your work a little extra on the alignment before hitting go. No need to spend hundreds of dollars on jigs or go through the process of learning how to create your own. If you do want one or want to buy one or learn how to make them, of course, do it. That's fantastic. They are super useful. But if you are an Xtool user, you don't need them. If you're not running an Xtool laser and you're sticking with Lightburn, jigs are probably still the way to go. However, if you are an Xtool user, this is by far the easiest way to batch if you don't have jigs and don't have a ton of extra time to try to learn how to make them. It's fast, accurate, and kind of cool, actually. The technology is super sweet, dude. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be the video for today. Super fast, super easy, super quick and dirty. Like the video if you like it. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. I will see you in the next one. Take care.